Not sure if your possible cooker lid can go in the oven? Fix it fast. The glass lid is not oven safe. Only the removable cooking pot can handle oven heat. The pot itself is fine up to 260 degrees Celsius, so you can bake or finish a dish directly in it. Just lift it out of the base first, but the glass lid is made for countertop use only. In the oven, the heat and direct elements can make it warp, crack, or even shatter. If you need to cover food while it bakes, use foil or an oven-safe cover instead. Then set the hot pot on a heat-resistant silicone mat when you pull it out. I've linked the one I use in the description. It protects your counter and keeps the coating scratch-free. If your lid has already cracked or fogged from oven heat, stop using it and contact Ninja support using the link in the description. If this helped you clear up the lid confusion, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a heat-resistant silicone mat, I've linked the one I use below. It keeps your counters cool and your cookware safe. Thanks for watching, and keep the lid out, not burnt out.